Welcome back. Now, when you deliver your content through your product or your membership using Wishlist Member, you can protect that content as long as you place that content inside of a folder protected by Wishlist Member. And there are two ways to get your content into those folders. One way to do it is to go to your media area and then to add a new file. And what you're going to do is you're going to upload your media using the WordPress installer. Now, typically, when you install WordPress, you're going to have a maximum upload file of 2 megabytes. However, the file you use may be larger. Now, depending on where your site is hosted, there are several ways of being able to change this maximum upload size to one that you'll be able to use for your WordPress installation. What we're going to do is go inside of our cPanel. We're going to go inside of our PHP editor. Now, once we go inside of the multi-PHP INI editor, we're going to make sure that we select our website. And what we're then going to do in basic mode is we're going to find the maximum upload size. You're going to see it here at the bottom. We're going to change this to 256 meg. We're then going to click apply. We can now go back to our media area. What you may then see is that the file size will then exceed the maximum upload for this site. What you can then do is to go to your plugin area. You can then type in maximum upload size to add a plugin. We're going to add this plugin. Once it's installed, we're then going to activate. Then our plugin will be in place. We're then going to go inside of the plugin. We're going to change this to 256 meg and click Save Changes. We're then going to go back to our media area. Our maximum upload file size is then 256 meg. We're then going to select the file that we want to upload. And then our file will then be uploaded. What you'll now be able to do is to now go inside of Wishlist Member. And you will go to the content protection area. What you're then going to do is to go to your files, and then you're going to select your file. What you're then going to do is you're then going to select an action. You're then going to edit the content protection status. You're going to make sure that this content is then protected. You'll then click Update Protection. We're then going to be specific about the level that is going to be protected. So we're going to add a specific level to this content. We're going to choose a specific level, which is our product. We're going to click Add Level. And then our content protection is then updated. So now the file that we're going to be delivering to our customer is going to be protected inside of our WordPress website within Wishlist Member. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.